Hi everyone, this is Yasser Ahmed. Yesterday I found a really useful tool that helped me generate around $150 without doing a single thing, and it took me only 4 minutes to do it. Now this is something that you guys would definitely require for your business if you are getting started. I have made it specially this video for people who are starting with social media agencies, SMMA, but this is applicable on any kind of business that you guys want to work at. You're into any kind of business, you need a brand name, you need a brand logo, you need to select good combination of colors. Now this is an 8 to 10 minute video that you need to watch. So without further ado, just go ahead and look at this video and tell me in the comments what is the thing that you liked about it. Thank you very much.
Alright, digital marketers, how are you doing today? This is Yasser Ahmed, and today I'm going to solve one of the biggest world problems for people who are getting started with their social media agencies. The question of the day is, what should I call my agency? Do I need to get a logo first? Do I need to find someone who can create a logo for me? Specifically, I'm talking about the people right now who are into social media business and they want to get started with their own social media agency, because this is the biggest thing right now. What you will gain by watching this video till the end is that you would know how to decide what's going to be a business name and also get a logo for all of your social media pages, whether it's Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter. Let me know if this video helped you out. If you're watching it in one of my courses, please give me a good rating. Alright, so it's simple. Now let's get some serious. So now if you are on the Google page, I'm just going to tell you it's a free tool that's available. Not everyone knows about it. So you're just going to write Shopify name generator. Wow, I just generated one for one of my clients and he also paid me for that. So it's easy money. You can make easy money too. So just click on this option. Alright, so enter your business name. Enter word that want your business name to include. Alright, sounds good. So let me tell you where I'm at. I'm at Shopify. Let me tell you a bit about Shopify. It's the easiest way to get started with an online store, and it has really good integration with Facebook. So you guys can see all the videos you want on YouTube. It's all available. So I'm not going to go in that, but I'm going into a free tool, a free resource, the business name generator. Alright, so specifically for social media agency, I'm just going to write the word ad agency, and it's going to give me loads of ideas that are available, and also the domain names would be most likely available, so you guys can get them registered. So you can just see I wrote a keyword, or you can just write a keyword whatever your business in, and this special tool would show up all the options that you could use. Let's see what we've got. We've got simple ad agency, that's not gonna work. Still ad agency, Far East, look ad, cool ad agency freedom, ad agency savvy, Gust Go, candy ad, butterfly ad, rivet. Okay, Starship ad, Trump ad agency. We all know who Trump is. So Apollo, partner ad agency, fair ad agency, gentle, your choice ad agency. That's really long. So let's see a name that I like to get, and after that I would show you how easy is using this tool to get your own logo without any hassle. It only takes a few minutes. Let me type in my email address, set up my password. I have already these things set up, so it's not going to be a problem for me. It might be for you, so just put in your email address and get started. Alright, let me put mine. So okay, as soon as you put in your email information over there, you would definitely get registered, and then it would direct you to a page where you can create your logo. I've already done that, so I cannot do it again. So let me show you the page. Let me show you, it's where it is. Hatchful. It's another part of Shopify that lets you create stunning logos in seconds. And trust me, I've tried out other tools. This is the easiest tool I've ever encountered in my life. So let's see what kind of options that we have over here. So we have different options. Let me go. We are a service. Let me click on next. Okay, so these are some styles that you can go ahead. For agency, definitely I prefer bold. Bold is like good. Like these are the attractive colors that I personally prefer. So I'm just going to click on next and move forward. You can also put your business name. I have a business name. Yeah, it's ad agency assistant. Not going to put any slogan over here. I don't know what that means. And this is going to be online store and websites. Just click on online store and websites. You guys would already automatically get whatever you want. So see the different logos that are going to get in front of you. It would be really easy for you to select. So as I scroll down, there are so many options. I like this color. Let me show you around first. Just look at the color combinations. They all look amazing. Wow. So cool. This is the first design I tried out trying to create a logo for one of the pages for one of my friends. They really liked it, and these are some really cool designs. This is a really simple one. So let's go back. Let's go. Okay. Let's just get back to the top. I'm going to select this one because it has a computer screen, a tablet, and a mobile phone. Let's going to click on this one. And now it's up to me if I could change it into different colors. We have different fonts. I think this font looks good. You guys can have any font that you like. I'm not going to mess with that. So this is the basic logo that's going to show up, and there are some things that you like. You can definitely change. This color looks good. This color looks good. I like this color too. It's really eye-catchy. So now let's see if there's any other color that I like to see. Okay, this one is like, I don't know what this color is since I'm a bit of colorblind. I'm not sure what kind of red or pink color is this. If any of you know, please feel free to comment down below. There is no shame because everybody has something. I have this. I'm not able to identify colors properly. Okay, back to this color. I think this is the best one. Similarly, you can add more icons in it. I don't wanna mess this up. This looks really good. We also have the option for layout. Wow, this looks amazing, but I prefer keeping it simple. Now just click on next. You can download all kinds of logo. These you've got high resolution logos for Twitter, for internet, blah 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 blah. So many of them all together. Let's just click on download, and these would automatically be sent to the email address where your account is at. So I really appreciate if you guys are still here. Perfect. I've got my email. Perfect. Sounds good. Let's get serious and sober again. This is the first Facebook cover. Facebook cover 2, Facebook profile image, favicon, Instagram, LinkedIn. They've got even given us 2 options. We've got a transparent logo. Now this is the most important thing for your logo. If you have a transparent logo, its dimension is 1200 by 1200 in square shape. This is beautiful. You can put it anywhere you want on any of your content that you like. Pinterest. It's given us every single thing for YouTube, for Twitter, for Instagram. You can easily sell this service as well. I don't have any problem with that because I don't need to sell this. If anyone needs it, I would be definitely really happy to help that person out. So these are the images that I got. As a tool is really simple and really easy to use. It's Shopify name generator. You can generate your business names really easily. You can generate your business logo as well, And also, if you check out the other option that it gave, if you wanted not only for online but for your print cards and stuff, you can definitely check it out. This is a really good tool that I recommend for you guys to use if you guys are starting with your social media agency. And last but not least, if anyone wants to work with me or wants to partner with me or wants me to run ads for their clients, feel free to get in touch. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. If you want, check my video out on YouTube with my name, Yasir Ahmed, MBA. And comment your thoughts below. Bye bye.